Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is something totally different. Today I am taking you with me house hunting. We went to look at two different houses today and I wanted to share them with you. House number one was listed at $669,000 with a 5-bedroom and 3-bath. And you guys, I love every single detail they put in this house. As you can see here, it was so beautiful. All the white trim around it, that white kitchen, it was just stunning. You guys are seeing how many beautiful upgrades this one house had. I was in love also with the fact that it had a patio deck, but when we came upstairs, you can see here the rooms were really tiny and there was no closet whatsoever in this house. So the space was not working for us in the second floor. That was the only thing that I didn't like. House number one, the bathrooms were also super nice and renovated. The basement was also a bonus for me because I thought the basement was so nice and it had 8-foot ceilings, which made it even nicer. So house number two was a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, and it was listed for $549,000. My favorite part of this home was definitely the kitchen, even though it wasn't a white kitchen how I wanted, but it was still beautiful. And also the big family room. It was a huge family room and that's something that I liked. However, it didn't connect to the backyard. I didn't like that. And also I didn't like that you come in straight into the kitchen. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you did. Which one was your favorite out of the two? Let me know down in the comments.